how to fix Xbox app or Microsoft error code 0x87e00017. So this error, it usually occurs while you're trying to install games or play games in your PC. So in order to fix this problem, first of all, go to this PC, and after that, go to your C drive right here. Inside C drive, go to Windows, and inside Windows, scroll down and find System32 right here. Click on it. After that, search for drivers section right here. You can see it, right? Click on it. After that, go to etc, and you can see the host file right here. Make sure that you cut the host file, right? Make sure that you cut it, and make sure that you paste it on your desktop right here. Desktop screen, make sure that you paste it on desktop screen, and after that, go to your Windows Explorer again, go back to the etc file, make sure that you cut the etc file as well, go back to your desktop again and paste it on your desktop again, and make sure that you restart your PC after you apply these changes. And after you restart your PC, then the next option you can try out is fixing your DNS or network servers. So in order to do that, go to the search bar right here and type cmd. Make sure to run the command prompt as administrator, and after that, type in ipconfig space /flush_DNS. Make sure that you type this command right here, which will flush your DNS. And the next command you gotta type after you type this command is netsh space winsock space reset. And after you type this, then your network adapters will be reset, which might fix your problem of Xbox or MS error code 0x87e00017. So these were the two methods you can try out. Hopefully you found this video helpful. Thank you very much.